Guys, guess what? Today is October 1st, which means it's one of the best holidays. I'm so excited. I love this time of year. It is my favorite time of year. It's officially going into holiday season, which means, forgot to tighten her thing. Anyway, so I'm so excited. I got my little doggies out. We're going on a walk on this it's gorgeous today too. Just right. It's probably gonna warm up here in a little bit, but that's okay. I'm gonna enjoy every single minute of the day. I overslept, but hey, that's all right. I gotta take a shower today too. I'm just gonna do everything today. It's time to don these. Yep. Yay! Alright, next part of the day, I'm gonna go check on Noodle and Welly. And I guess on my eye, because I just washed my face. But I'm taking a shower tonight, so I didn't want to put makeup on. Anyway, so let's go check on Noodle. Well, I'm chilling out with Noodle, which he's disappeared, at this lovely house. It's so bright. Playing on Instagram and Pinterest, and my hair looks bad. But so I think today I'm gonna start. I don't know if I'm gonna do like a separate video of what I'm gonna do on my 31 days of Halloween, but I have some lists I'm gonna go off of. So I think the first one is gonna be color some Halloween pages, I think. Yeah, I think I might do that separately. That way it'll be a countdown to Halloween. Yay, because today is the first day of Halloween. Alright, I gotta go to walk Welly now. I'm really just relaxed here and I'm gonna fall asleep. But I better go before I do fall asleep. Then I go home. Come on. Welly. Yes, that's my car. Come on. I didn't get a video of Noodle, but I can show y'all pictures of Noodle. And here's Welly. We're walking. I love this neighborhood. I like that house right there. Sometimes someone will be playing piano in it. It sounds really cool. It's kind of old looking. I like that cute little house out there. Okay. Looks like it's time to change from this to this. And my little kitty cat. Yay. And here goes along with it. Isn't that awesome? 3 guesses where we're going. You guessed Walmart, you're right. Then Natural Grocers. And then back home. So what we're doing for Halloween, 31 days, one of the things we're doing is buying something new for Halloween every day. You hear me?
Yeah, oh, you don't? I thought you were talking to your blog thing.
I already told the vlog.
Yeah, I heard you.
Anyway, and then I'm going to do another separate video of an activity. I have a little calendar to go by. So that would be separate.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. Here's this. Halloween. This. What should I get? Scratch kit. Huh. Stickers. Aww. How cute. Little stickers. They're all the same. A Fox foam kit. I mean, maybe I should start off with something from over here, Halloween-ish. Also,
What?
pumpkins.
Oh, that's cute.
I like that too. Look at the cat.
Oh, okay.
It's decor. I don't know. Alright, this is my first purchase for Halloween. First day of Halloween home decor. There's a unicorn. Skeleton. Wow. Alright, since it's the first day of Halloween, I'm going to be trying for that horse right there. Because they don't have Halloween stuff in here yet. So we're going to go for a horse with my Dada. Here. Oh, that little dinosaur and the egg is cute. Alright, let's
And
see if
the
this
porpoise.
thing actually
Did
works.
you see the porpoise?
Yeah.
And the what do you call it? A warhol?
Norwal.
Narwhal.
Warhol.
All right.
Let's go. I'm gonna
Let me back up a
hopefully-
little bit so I can get you in.
I just want the horse.
I like the little, what is it, a possum or what is that?
Little porcupine hedgehog.
Hedgehog, yeah.
But it's way too close. Right on it.
Oh,
Do you see the grip? It's like
none.
Like, dude, get my dollar.
We can see where they
Next
can
time.
set it.
Next time.
Right there. It has the place you can set the grip. And they set it where, like a grip.
You cheaters. Next time I'll get you, little horse.
Get home.
Okay. Now we're going to Natural Grocers real quick and then home.
Then home.
I said I could drop you off first.
Yeah. I think maybe you want to.
No, you're just like, then home. But I was like, I can drop you off. Huh?
We used to go out. You were always wanting to get home. Oh.
Alright. I think they have a haunted house started over here, so I'm going to flip the camera around. We're going to take video of it.
I don't see the blue lights. We missed the excitement.
They're still there.
Oh, okay. Dang it. There.
See, look, it's like on TV, the dash cam.
Yeah, no. I noticed that. Dash cam. Boy, I tell you what, it's a full parking lot.
Watching The Watchmen and Am Against the Press will have a new one up tomorrow.
Oh, good.
They're in Virginia.
Oh,
Hopefully soon they'll hit us. Hopefully. I want to see them. Ooh, I want to go. We'll be going to that soon. I'll video it. I wonder if they need actors. I could totally do that.
Actors.
Alright, well, I'm turning in on the first day of Halloween. It was a good day. I got my little unicorn skeleton, and I was going to do another thing, like color or something, so I think I might do it right now. I'm going to make a picture, but coloring one thing at a time on a picture to make it a Halloween scene. So I got my sketchbook out, and I'll show you some of the old sketches that are in it. Yeah, so I think that's how I'm going to finish the night. This is my old sketchbook. I love stamps. Let's see. Oh, this is my creature I invented. Cyril the Vire. I loved like this. She had wings and a tail, long pointy ears. Of course, I modeled her after myself because I wanted to be her. I drew the animals that went with the feet prints. I love drawing. And there's another picture of her. Didn't draw the nose because I couldn't figure out how to do it. So I just left it blank. This is my Lord of the Rings phase. (2003). Wow. Oh, I like that one. I love pirates. Anything pirates. That one's just kind of really nothing to it. Oh, my doggy. Oh, yeah. I love rainbows. A lot of ponies that had rainbows on them. Ah. Animals. Huge animal fan, of course. Some more stuff. Oh, a scene. I think Carrie. No, did I draw that? I think I drew that. More animals. Mama and baby. Like doing my name a lot. Bugs Bunny. Forgot how full this was. I love doing boys and girls of things. My fruit tree. Man. crush. Ooh, pretty. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, my pirate. Whatever he is. Some more just doodles. Doodle, doodle, doodle. Carrie drew that one. Another doggy. Yep, pail. A jack-in-the-box. What are you doing? Sombrero. A better sombrero. Doing it. I think I do I like these things that you can kind of go off of. I'm not sure what I was trying to accomplish with that. A lot of different shadings, and I think that's it. Yep. Okay, so I can use some of these. Let's see. Get my prompt out for coloring stuff.